did you feel with the Sanjeevani meditation? So who's going to speak first? Yes.
My name is Prabhakar.
Okay.
I'm from Kuwait.
Okay, fine.
I'm doing the meditations for the last 9 to 10 years. So I should really express my gratitude for having achieved so many goals on the goal front, financially, and then comes to education qualifications. In fact, I completed 5 qualifications through the power of Alpha.
Oh, great. Very good.
So I should express my gratitude to you personally, Guruji, as well as to the Alpha meditation.
Great, great.
Alpha
Very
power,
nice.
as well as the God. Healing. I have been doing this self-healing meditation, which we have done in the first sense regularly. So whenever I used to feel some discomfort in my body, I used to do this meditation, and it was working fantastically. And today it is one step further, I think, with Sanjeevani meditation is one step further.
Yes.
And it is a very excellent and complete healing, and I feel very, very nice and relaxed, and I feel like being healed. So once again, thanking you and
Very
thanking
nice.
the Alpha.
Very nice. Thank you very much for sharing. It was very nice to listen to you. Thank you so much.
I am Mallika from Bangalore.
Okay, right.
Program was very nice. I enjoyed it. And I have done my Alpha 1 level also in Bangalore only. For many days I wanted to do this Sanjeevani, but I could not do it. But because of this online, it was very comfortable for me.
Okay.
Today. So I want to do it daily, and my mother is also not well. So I am thinking of playing it for her.
Yes,
So
please do that.
Once it comes to the app, I think I can play it, isn't it?
They will enable it in the app for you today, and you will get it. By tonight or maximum by tomorrow, you will get it.
Okay. And then only this mudras, I am having slight doubts, but will that details will be there in the app?
In the pranayamam, see, if you go to the app in the meditation section, we are uploading the pranayamam MP3 today. I've given it to them today. So there I would have mentioned the mudras.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, right.
Namaskaram, Guruji.
Yes.
It was a very wonderful experience and excellent knowledge for I always feel energy most of the time, but I think I'm very confident after this class that I can increase my energy level and then feel energetic to face life and then move forward. Yeah, thank you very much for the knowledge.
Okay.
And the
thank you so much. Right. Thank you. Okay.
Pranam, Guruji.
Pranam, yes.
Though it was from the home, the energy level was really great, Guruji. In fact, in the comfort of the home, I didn't realize that it would be so wonderful. Usually, I'm a very hesitant person to come online and talk like this in video, but after this meditation, I really feel confident. And though I don't know what healing happened, but definitely happy and rejuvenated.
Good, very nice. Thank you for sharing. Very good, wonderful.
Pranam, I'm Manjari Pusari from Bombay.
Okay.
And yes, after the Sanjeevani meditation, I felt like there was an aura around me, like a kavach of love. See, normally we always direct love towards others. I mean, you think that you have to give it to others, but you never think of giving it for yourself also.
True.
So it was a very good experience, different experience.
Very nice, very nice. Thank you so much for sharing. Wonderful.
I am Mrs. Banu Prabhu from Chennai, ma'am.
Yes.
I got so much stressed because of this stressful situation. I got so much stress, and my body also so many pains on my total body. Because of this meditation, I got so much relaxed. So many places I got a relaxing sensation. Also, it's so I can't express my words. Please bless me.
Definitely.
From this great stressful situation.
Definitely. Don't worry. Keep listening to Sanjeevani every day. I'm sure you'll feel much better. No body pain, and be relaxed always and enjoy life. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Good evening, everyone.
Yes.
Madam Guruji.
Yes, good evening.
I have attended all classes except for the Sanjeevani, Aishwaryam, and 2 or 3 left.
Okay.
So every day I keep doing meditation, and today I felt like I took new birth physically as well as emotionally. Real fantastic experience. I cannot be expressed in words. Only thing that was missing was the food there. Otherwise, everything was fine.
That would have only spoiled your health. So anything, you're better off without it.
So I could feel your presence in the entire house, man.
Wonderful. Great. Thank you
Your
so much.
blessings is always there.
Very good. All the best. And my blessings always there. So enjoy good health with Sanjeevani. That is what we want. Okay.
Madam, I am
Yeah.
blessed with you, madam. Always.
Always, yes.
For continuous meditation, I have to do.
Yeah.
Please.
Definitely. My blessings. Please meditate regularly every day and see the
But
benefit.
with your blessing only we can do.
Definitely. My blessings are there. Please continue. Especially Sanjeevani, you should continue. Okay? Right. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Hi, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm Poonam Jethwani.
Yes, Poonam. From?
Chennai.
Chennai. Yes, Poonam. Yes, I remember you. Come on.
Yes, I'm
long
very
time.
happy that you have taken the class in English and I got this beautiful opportunity to be with you.
Good, great.
And I want to know, since the Sanjeevani meditation should be done in the night, then when can we do mantras and pranayama?
You can do the mantras in the morning, Poonam, whenever you have time, when you do your puja or whenever you have time. You can do it anytime, which is convenient.
And those pranayama?
Yeah, pranayama and the mantras you can do one after the other.
With any of your meditations?
Yeah. And after that, you can play any of our, you have attended some of our classes, I know.
Yeah, many,
So,
mostly all.
Yeah. So you can do the pranayama, mantra chanting, then or mantra chanting first, then pranayama, and then the meditation. And after the meditation, you visualize.
Sanjeevani mantras we can chant.
You can chant Sanjeevani mantras, no problem.
Then what about this Navakshi mantra, when we can chant that?
That also you can chant in this, you can include that also.
Okay.
No problem. Yeah, you allot some time, you can finish everything.
Yeah, it's very nice to see you taking class in English in Chennai.
Yeah, that is why the
online. It was a dream come true for me.
Yeah, yes, you were always.
For a very long time I was planning for this class, but because of language problem, I was not able to do.
Correct. So I'm so happy now. Now we are doing on alternate weeks, 1 week English, 1 week Tamil.
Yeah, very good.
It will benefit many people, that is true.
I advise you take some class in English class on Sunday also, so that gents also can do.
Yeah, actually we asked in the groups, in our WhatsApp groups, but many people did not opt for Sunday because what they say is, everybody is at home. So it's very difficult to go and sit alone for 3-4 hours. People don't get that privacy. So they don't want it on Sundays. Only 1 or 2 people said Sunday. All the rest preferred only Saturday afternoon. That's why we are doing it on Saturdays. Let's see, later on maybe we will change.
But you're doing very good work.
Thank you so much for joining us. Wonderful. Nice to see you.
Thank you, ma'am. This is Raghuram from Chennai.
Yes, Raghuram.
Yeah, it was so nice experience when I do the Sanjeevani particularly.
Okay.
It's amazing energy. I could sense, I could feel the energy, and I could visualize the colors also in gold and green and yellow, golden yellow. That all good sense, and I really enjoyed that energy, and it filled everywhere in my body, every part.
Very good. Very good. Excellent.
I feel well.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
Nothing but direct class. I enjoyed your presence.
Like a direct class? Okay. Wonderful. Thanks for the inputs. Thank you so much. Good. Excellent. Yes.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am, Aarti here.
Yes.
I'm so much blessed to join with you in this class, ma'am. I've been practicing alpha meditation for the past 5 to 6 years, and I attended I attended the first 3 levels in Coimbatore.
Okay.
But I am now residing in Chennai. After coming to Chennai, there was no opportunity for me to connect or because COVID started. So by that time, we were not able to come in person and attend the classes. So now this online class is so much, it feels like it's a lot of blessing for all of us. Me and my mom has also joined in this class. It feels really very energetic, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Good.
We all need your blessings, ma'am.
Definitely.
Thank you, ma'am. I was actually having lots of back pain for the last 7 years almost. I was having a lot of back pain, but now after doing this meditation, I'm feeling really energetic. And while starting this class, it was very much painful for me to sit actually, but now I'm feeling really free and very healed. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, good. Thanks for sharing. Wonderful. Excellent. Thank you so much.
வணக்கம் மேம். இந்திரா.
Yes, Indra. Vanakkam. Yes.
நல்லா இருக்கீங்க?
First class. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. So I'm in your classes from 2009, and so almost like all the classes that you have given. So we'll try to come as like Rajini film, first day first show. So no, that's a different experience actually. So Sanjeevani, I attended the first class, and we were also giving you feedback like it was very heavy because it had lots and lots of data that you have given on the very first day. It was very awesome. So we were telling, but we used to have a assumption like for the first level I used to like come whenever I'm coming with other people, or if I'm asking my friends to attend, I'll come, and every time I'll get different view in the very first class, alpha level 1. Similarly, Agnikundam I have attended so many times. Now I think like I need to try it for Sanjeevani too. This is second time I'm attending, but it's a different view. I don't know what did I experience in first class was awesome, different, but today's it was totally different. Actually, ma'am, you have given some meditation in the initial when the class starts, right? I don't know, today I felt really it is very different.
Okay.
And I was about to ask you, but I don't want to interrupt in the class. So when you ask us to go for some registering about the places that you like, so far whatever the place that I took in my mind has gone, and this time it was like Kailash. We have seen the first darshan with the Kanda Kotayar, Kandara, something known, right? So I was able to feel that like you are near me, and those other families were there. So it was so blissful, and I were like full of tears at that time.
Oh, okay.
First meditation itself, I'm flat. Okay, so
nice. Thanks for sharing. Wonderful, great.
Thanks.
Good evening. Yes.
Kavita from Mysore.
Yes, Kavita.
Actually, I have attended Alpha Meditation first level in Coimbatore in 2005. After that, I got married and moved to Mysore. So from that time onwards, I was planning to either to come to Chennai to attend your class or to Coimbatore, but I can't able to come. But this online class has become very much useful, and I have attended Amrit Siddhi, Karma Dosa, everything. And in our family, we are very much addicted to do Amrit Siddhi. Without doing Amrit Siddhi, we don't go to sleep. My daughter is also very much interested to do. Even if I forgot to do, she will insist me to do. Only after that she used to sleep.
Good. Very good to hear that.
And also we feel very energetic. Before that, sometimes I don't feel that much energetic. But after start doing meditation, I felt very energetic and very happy nowadays.
Good, very good. Maintain that, and Sanjeevani will give you even more energy and good healing also, and good health, which we all need a lot now in this period. So please listen to it every day. Okay.
And also your experience in visiting to Baba Cave.
Babaji Cave, yes.
Babaji Cave.
Yes.
Nice to hear.
Yeah, that was a wonderful experience. And this year, I don't know whether we'll be able to go to Rishikesh. So because of that, I started recalling all that. So I thought, okay, let me share it with our Alpha people.
That's your memories. Very nice.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. Right.
Madhuri from Bangalore.
Yes.
Yeah. I actually 2 years back when I underwent treatment for my cancer, That time somebody gave me this to hear, listen to this Sanjeevani meditation, and it has helped me a lot. And I wanted to do the course, so today it was possible. So I'm very happy.
Good.
Now I just wanted to ask you, a person who is suffering from any illnesses like cancer or anything, how much does it help? Like while taking treatment, they should, or suppose if it is in the first stage, whether it will help them to without treatment, or how help? Like,
See,
do you have any patients who have done only?
See, generally, I do not advise anyone to stop medical treatment, even if they do the meditation. This meditation will only accelerate the healing. But you know, certain things do need medical treatment. So we should not stop the treatment, even if you take the treatment. If you also do the meditation, then the side effects of the treatment will be less.
Yeah. Okay.
And the person becomes more comfortable with the treatment. In fact, I can tell you, last year there was one request from one family that that person's mother had cancer and she had to undergo chemo. And she was refusing to go to the hospital. She was refusing to take the treatment. Because of that, the son approached us and asked for music therapy. And I gave it to her. Music therapy is only, instead of meditation, it works. So I gave it to her. She listened to it for a few days. And then on her own, willingly, she went and took the treatment. Very smoothly it went. And she was improving. She was feeling much better. So definitely by meditation, we can make things better. The healing can be accelerated. And if there are any side effects also, that impact can be reduced.
Yeah, I think definitely it has helped me. And thanks to you, Guruji, and thanks to Lakshmi who gave me the...
Okay, wonderful, wonderful. Yeah. Great, good to
and
know
also
that.
Amrit Siddhi, I attended 2 weeks back.
Okay.
And it's a wonderful meditation.
Yeah.
Just like I would love to do it every day, morning and evening. So.
Yes, you can enjoy. But now add Sanjeevani also.
Yeah, I'm doing Sanjeevani.
Help you a lot.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks.
Thank you. Thanks. I saw the name Rinki. Where are you?
I'm here, ma'am.
Please, yes, come on. Rinki from Chandigarh. Yeah, yes. How are you?
बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत
अच्छा लगा।
आपको देखकर ही अच्छा लगा।
ठीक है।
और आपने संजीवनी का बोला मैम, तो पूरी एनर्जी ऐसे फ्लो कर रही थी ऊपर से, जैसे कोई शील्ड बन गई हो और सारी ऊपर से नीचे तक घूम रही थी।
अच्छा।
It's feel very very nice. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था। और हील का तो मालूम नहीं कैसे हुआ, पर आप जब बोलते हो तो वैसे ही बहुत अच्छा लगता है। पर आई बिलीव कि आप बोल रहे हैं तो बहुत अच्छा हील हुआ होगा। पर बहुत अच्छी सी एनर्जी और कुछ बड़ा अच्छा सा लगता है, लाइट सा।
ठीक है, very good. I'm so happy that you enjoyed the energy. Sanjeevani energy is very addictive. So daily you listen to the meditation. आप सुनिए, बहुत सुनिए।
I get the audio?
हाँ, ऑडियो आपको अभी मोबाइल ऐप में मिल जाएगा, आज ही मिल जाएगा। मोबाइल ऐप आपने डाउनलोड किया है ना? इसमें आप क्लासेस, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में जाके उसके अंदर माई प्रोडक्ट्स में रहेगा, आप जरा वो देख लीजिए। हाँ, ठीक है, डेफिनेटली इट विल बी देयर। पीडीएफ दिया है ग्रुप में, वो भी थोड़ा कर लीजिए तो हेल्थ बहुत अच्छा रहेगा। आजकल तो हेल्थ का ही बहुत चिंता है ना,
बहुत इशू है।
Thank you. Okay, thank you so much. Nice to see you, Rinki, after a long time. Thank you. Good.
I'm speaking from Coimbatore.
Okay.
I was waiting for this meditation.
Okay.
I am really very happy, madam, after doing this meditation. I'm really fresh and energetic today.
Good. Very good.
Thank you very much, madam.
Okay.
My mother also joined this.
Good.
Both had a great experience.
Please listen to the meditation every day. You will feel very good. Yeah. Thanks for joining.
Thank you, Guruji.
Okay. Thank you, ma. Thank you. Very nice.
Okay.
Thanks. Nice to see both of you. Very good. So, anybody else would like to share something? Okay. So let us conclude this class. I'm really happy that all of you could join at this time and do the Sanjeevani meditation. It is something which we all need very badly during this time. So this can remove the unwanted emotions from the mind, like particularly fear. Now, because of the situation, the fear is too much in the minds of people. I'm seeing it with so many people. Listen to Sanjeevani and you will feel even the fear disappears and the mind becomes stronger. And of course, the body, definitely the immunity becomes better and a good healing also is experienced. So I wish all of you excellent health and let this period also get over soon and we will all be back to normal. And thank you very much for being here. Namaste.